Hello everyone, and welcome to Imani.Travel. Today we're going to learn how to make a travel-sized first aid kit to treat all your minor injuries. Before going any further, support this page by subscribing and liking this video. Traveling can be a lot of fun, however, in such vivid adventures, it is common to sometimes hurt ourselves with minor injuries such as scratch, bruises, or even cuts. That's why you always want to be equipped with a first aid kit to help you when you need it most. All of the items necessary to create your first aid kit can be bought at pharmacies near you. Without further ado, let's get to building our first aid kit. If you don't want to make your own travel first aid kit, you can simply buy one at your nearest pharmacy. Here's a set of items that you would like to have in your first aid kit. As you can see, all the items will be contained in a waterproof plastic bag. One of the most important items will be antiseptic wipes. These wipes contain alcohol and will be used to sterilize any wounds that's on your body. Next, we have sterile gauze. Will be used to applied on a wound and can be mobilized into place with medical tape right here. You can bring either medical tape or you can make it work with duct tape as well. Forget to bring a pair of latex gloves, because when someone has a cut that it's either you or another person, always treat a wound with gloves, not to put any extra bacteria inside of it or to get contaminated via blood and open wounds. Always be equipped with bandages. Bandages of different size are very useful when you get cuts or scratches. I strongly recommend bringing tweezers, because this little tool can get any type of objects that get stuck inside your skin and you can remove it easily. If you're spending a lot of time in the wilderness, it is wise to bring some afterbite, because the bugs out there have no mercy and will leave you scratching all night. Polysporin is an excellent ointment that can be applied to wounds and cuts to let them heal faster. It also contains antibacterial properties. Monitor your well-being. Don't forget to take a thermometer with you. It's practical to evaluate your temperature and see if you should use any extra medical attention from a doctor. In case of headaches, bring some Tylenol. You don't need to bring the whole package, but bringing enough in a plastic bag should do you just right. Larger wounds, you would want to bring some gauze with you. Some big gauze pads should do the job, accompanied by gauze roll. If you get a bigger scratch or a bigger cut, these shall take care of the situation by covering larger amounts of area. Make sure you have some pins to be able to secure the gauze in place. The whole point of having a first aid kit is to be able to sterilize certain wounds. Keep water away from your first aid kit, and also make sure that any bandages that you bring with you is completely closed. At the end, you're just going to see that all these items that you need don't take much space. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to stay safe out there, like and subscribe for more. See you next time.